If you wanna know what's cooking, watch Runny Runny 999.
This is atsuage. Do you remember I used aburage in my last video? You can just say this one is thicker version of it. So it's deep fried tofu. So do the same way to remove the excess oil. Just pour out hot water. Using kitchen towel, drain. Cut in half. You can cut into more thinly slices. It's up to you. Shiitake mushroom, or you can cut into more thinly slices. Green onion. Again, you can cut into more thinly slices. Okay, first, stir fry green onion until a little brown. It'll give green onionish sweetness to the soup. Atsuage. Shiitake mushroom. Continue stir frying for a minute. Add chicken stock. Mentsuyu. I'm using triple strength. You can add more or less according to your taste. Simmer for about 2 minutes. It looks nothing, but this soup turned out so good. Udon. This is yuzu kosho, yuzu pepper or citrus pepper. If you're not available, you can use wasabi instead. It's done. So easy. The soup flavor from veggies, especially shiitake mushroom, so good. Trust me. Thanks guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.